Introducing the UNINET DTF Xpress, the first virtually no-maintenance DTF printer that lives up to the hype. At long last, the perfect DTF solution is available for the user who demands exceptional performance with limited maintenance, and most important, zero clogging. This is the next generation DTF printer with features that you've been waiting for. With a footprint of 31 inches wide, this machine will fit through most standard doorways, so you can use it just about anywhere. This compact footprint, combined with high-end performance, makes it one of the most desirable DTF printers on the market. With standard household voltage of 110 volts, it's perfect for home or office. The UNINET DTF Xpress comes equipped with a beautiful 7-inch touchscreen with Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless control and job management. This printer comes highly equipped with 8 state-of-the-art GH2220 printheads, a first of its kind in the industry. With print resolution up to 1200 by 1200 dpi and fully automated maintenance, it prints up to 42 feet an hour with extremely high fidelity and the vibrancy you and your customers demand. And when you're done printing, the UNINET DTF Xpress will clean the wipers automatically and dock the print heads in a patented wet capping station to prevent your nozzles from drying out. Our unique sealed ink system prevents ink contamination and evaporation, ensuring consistent, mess-free performance. For the first time ever, we can confidently say this is the only DTF printer that won't clog. The film feeding mechanism has an option that allows you to reverse the feed, which is really helpful when you want to reduce the film waste during your job changes. The film bed has 3 automated vacuum heaters to start the curing process, which helps eliminate ink bleeding. You can also set the machine to auto-cut after each print with the built-in inline film cutter. Or for full automation, simply pair it with our 17-inch vertical or horizontal dryers, resulting in the smallest footprint and the least amount of waste compared to other DTF combinations. For instance, a 35-inch DTF printer can require a dryer that costs over $10,000, takes a large amount of space, and not to mention the need for an electrician to wire it into your facility. These larger dryers also waste a significant amount of film and powder when you're changing over your jobs, which makes them impractical for most users' needs. The UNINET DTF Xpress is truly the next generation in DTF printing. Contact UNINET or any of our worldwide dealers for more information.